Hi there! In this video, we will learn how to slice text strings. This method allows us to extract a defined portion of a text string. Remember that text strings are immutable. We cannot change the string itself, but we can create a new string based on a slice of the original string. We can view this slice or assign it to a new string variable. Strings are sequences and can be accessed using the same methods applied to lists. We can use indices to locate items, in this case characters, within a string, just as we would in a list. Let's quickly review indexing. By default, list positions, or indices, are numbered from 0. The first item in the list is indexed as 0, and the second as 1, and so forth. Just like lists, we enclose the slice in square brackets. Let's practice slicing a text string. S is equal to coder's rule. It is easy to call a single character by its position in the string. We simply type S bracket 4 bracket. Which character do you think will be displayed? Pause the video and see if you know the answer before going on. Let's run the program to see if you were correct. Our slice displays the letter R, which is the fifth letter in our string, located by the index 4. Notice that the slice automatically prints without requiring a print statement. We can slice more than one character at a time by creating a range using a starting index and a stopping index, separated by a colon. S bracket 2 colon 5 bracket results in DER, the third through fifth characters in the string. Notice that we stopped before the sixth character, or index 5. We can slice every character from the beginning to a stop point by omitting the start point. S bracket colon 5 bracket results in coder. Or we can start from a start point to the end by omitting the stop point. S bracket 2 colon bracket results in dir's rule. We can also skip characters in our slice by adding a third step parameter. S bracket 1 colon 1 2 colon 2 will slice S starting at index 1, stopping at index 12, stepping by 2. This results in OESRL. How do you think we could create a slice of all the characters in a string? S bracket colon bracket will do the trick. One last technique. We can also slice starting at the end of the string rather than the beginning by using negative values for the indices. S bracket -1 bracket returns exclamation point, the last character in the string. And S bracket colon colon -1 bracket returns the whole string in reverse. Note, if we want to slice a portion of the string and step backwards, then we need to put the higher index first. S bracket 9 colon 1 colon -2 bracket results in LRSE. We can assign any of these slices to a new variable for use in our program. B is equal to S bracket 9 colon 1 colon -2 bracket, print B. The new string variable B consists of the letters LRSE sliced from our original string S. To sum up, we can slice text strings using bracket start colon stop colon step bracket. In other words, the starting and stopping indices, and an optional step argument, separated by colons. Practice slicing your own strings in Creative Suite. Have some fun with it. Maybe the result will be a secret code such as a mirrored text which a friend can decode, a puzzle, or something humorous. See you in the next video.